Have you been dreaming about buying a home in America in 2026? What if I told you that the biggest mistake isn't buying too early or too late, but believing everything you hear online? Every day, millions of Americans are flooded with headlines claiming that home prices are about to crash, mortgage rates are about to collapse, or that waiting just a few more months could save them hundreds of thousands of dollars. But what if the real story is far more complicated? What if the biggest opportunity of 2026 isn't obvious at all? In today's video, we're uncovering the truth about buying a house in America in 2026. We'll separate facts from myths, explain what the smartest buyers are doing differently, and reveal why this year could become one of the most important turning points in the U.S. housing market. Whether you're buying your very first home, planning to upgrade, or simply curious about where the market is heading, stay until the end because some of the biggest surprises are still ahead. For years, America's housing market has been on an emotional roller coaster. The days of ultra-low mortgage rates created a buying frenzy that pushed prices to record highs. Then came rising inflation, aggressive interest rate hikes, and uncertainty that caused many buyers to hit the pause button. Fast forward to 2026, and the market looks completely different from what many experts predicted just a few years ago. Instead of a dramatic nationwide crash, the housing market has become a story of local opportunities, changing buyer behavior, and shifting economic realities. This is why anyone looking at national headlines alone could end up making a costly decision. One of the biggest myths surrounding the 2026 housing market is the belief that prices move the same way across America. In reality, every city has its own story. While some markets that experienced explosive growth during the pandemic have slowed significantly, others continue attracting new residents, new businesses, and strong housing demand. Population migration remains one of the biggest forces shaping home values. Cities with expanding job markets, affordable living costs, and growing industries continue to attract families and professionals searching for better opportunities. Meanwhile, some previously overheated markets are adjusting as demand returns to more sustainable levels. This creates a market where buyers willing to research carefully may discover opportunities that simply didn't exist a few years ago. Another important truth is that buyers have become far more selective than they were during the bidding wars of previous years. Back then, many homes received dozens of offers within days, often selling far above the asking price. In 2026, many buyers are taking their time. They compare neighborhoods, inspect properties more carefully, negotiate with sellers, and think long-term before making one of the biggest financial decisions of their lives. This shift has changed the balance of power in many local markets. Sellers who once expected multiple offers immediately now often need to price their homes more realistically and become more flexible during negotiations. For patient buyers, this creates possibilities that simply didn't exist during the market frenzy. Mortgage rates continue to play a major role, but focusing only on interest rates can be misleading. Many people believe they should wait until rates fall dramatically before purchasing a home. The problem with this strategy is that nobody knows exactly when rates will move or by how much. If rates eventually decline, more buyers could enter the market simultaneously, increasing competition and pushing home prices higher once again. Waiting may reduce monthly payments, but it could also mean paying a much higher purchase price. Smart buyers understand that affordability depends on the complete financial picture, including income stability, savings, future career plans, and the specific local market they are buying into, not just a single number on a mortgage quote. Another trend defining 2026 is the growing importance of financial preparation. Lenders are paying close attention to debt levels, employment history, credit scores, and cash reserves. Buyers who prepare months before shopping often find themselves in a much stronger position than those rushing into the market. Improving a credit score, reducing unnecessary debt, building emergency savings, and understanding the true cost of homeownership can make a significant difference in both loan approval and monthly affordability. The purchase price is only one part of the equation. Property taxes, homeowners insurance, maintenance costs, utility expenses, and unexpected repairs all contribute to the real cost of owning a home. Buyers who ignore these factors often face financial stress after moving in, while those who plan carefully enjoy much greater long-term stability. Perhaps the biggest surprise about buying a home in 2026 is that success is becoming less about timing the market perfectly and more about making the right personal decision. History has shown that trying to predict the exact bottom or top of the housing market is incredibly difficult, even for experienced economists. Instead, successful homeowners usually focus on buying when their finances are stable, when they have enough savings, and when they plan to stay in the property long enough to benefit from long-term appreciation. Real estate has always rewarded patience more consistently than perfect timing. The buyers who understand this principle often avoid emotional decisions driven by fear or sensational headlines. But there's another major shift happening beneath the surface, one that most mainstream discussions barely mention. Across America, inventory patterns are changing. New construction is evolving, migration trends continue reshaping demand, and hidden opportunities are emerging in places many buyers have completely overlooked. These changes could determine who builds long-term wealth through real estate and who misses the next wave of opportunity. And that's exactly what we'll uncover in the next part. As we look deeper into the American housing market in 2026, one fact becomes impossible to ignore. Inventory is finally starting to change. For several years, one of the biggest reasons home prices remained high was the simple lack of available homes. Millions of homeowners locked in historically low mortgage rates and had little reason to sell. Moving to another house often meant replacing a 3% mortgage with one that was nearly double, making relocation financially unattractive. This phenomenon created what many economists called the lock-in effect, and it dramatically reduced the number of homes entering the market. But in 2026, that situation is slowly evolving. Life doesn't stop because mortgage rates change. Families grow, careers shift, retirements begin, divorces happen, and people relocate for new opportunities. These life events are gradually increasing housing inventory across many parts of the country, giving buyers more choices than they have seen in years. More choices, however, do not automatically mean lower prices everywhere. This is where many buyers make a costly mistake. They assume that an increase in listings guarantees a nationwide price correction. In reality, supply and demand remain highly local. In communities where job creation is strong and population growth continues, newly listed homes may still sell quickly. On the other hand, areas experiencing slower economic growth or declining migration may see properties stay on the market longer, forcing sellers to negotiate more aggressively. Understanding this difference is one of the biggest advantages a buyer can have. Instead of asking, "What is happening in America?" smart buyers ask, "What is happening in this specific city, neighborhood, and even this particular street?" That local perspective often reveals opportunities hidden behind national headlines. Another trend reshaping the market is the growing influence of new home construction. Builders across the country learned valuable lessons after years of supply shortages. Rather than focusing only on large luxury homes, many developers have shifted towards smaller, more practical floor plans designed for affordability. Energy-efficient features, smart home technology, lower maintenance materials, and flexible living spaces have become increasingly attractive to modern buyers. In some markets, builders are also offering incentives that existing homeowners simply cannot match. These may include mortgage rate buydowns, closing cost assistance, appliance packages, or upgrade credits. For buyers comparing similar properties, these incentives can significantly reduce the overall cost of ownership, making new construction more competitive than many people realize. Technology is also changing the way Americans buy homes. Artificial intelligence, advanced property search platforms, virtual home tours, and real-time market data have made it easier than ever to compare neighborhoods, estimate home values, and identify emerging markets before they become widely recognized. Buyers no longer depend solely on traditional listings or weekend open houses. They can monitor price reductions, analyze historical trends, calculate affordability, and even explore schools, crime statistics, and commute times from their phones. While technology cannot replace professional advice or personal inspections, it gives buyers far more information than previous generations ever had. Those who know how to use this information wisely often make better long-term decisions. Economic uncertainty continues to influence buyer psychology as well. Inflation, employment trends, wage growth, and future interest rate expectations all shape consumer confidence. Some buyers remain cautious, believing that waiting will always produce a better deal. Others worry that delaying could allow prices to rise again. The truth is that no one can consistently predict every market movement. History repeatedly shows that housing markets are influenced by dozens of factors working together, including local employment, migration, construction activity, household formation, and government policies. Relying on a single prediction or one dramatic headline can easily lead to poor financial decisions. Instead, successful buyers evaluate their own financial readiness alongside the realities of their target market. Perhaps the most overlooked opportunity in 2026 lies outside America's most famous cities. For decades, many buyers focused almost exclusively on places like New York, Los Angeles, San Francisco, or Seattle. While these cities remain economically important, many smaller metropolitan areas are experiencing remarkable growth, thanks to expanding industries, remote work opportunities, lower living costs, and improving infrastructure. Employers continue investing in regions where operating costs are lower, creating new jobs that attract workers from across the country. As these populations grow, demand for housing often follows. Buyers who identify these trends early may find neighborhoods with stronger, long-term appreciation potential than some of the nation's most expensive housing markets. Yet none of these opportunities matter without financial discipline. Buying a home should never be driven by fear of missing out or pressure from social media. A house is far more than an investment. It is also a long-term financial responsibility. Before signing any contract, buyers should understand exactly how monthly payments fit into their budget, how emergency savings will be protected, and whether they can comfortably handle unexpected expenses. Owning a home can create wealth over time, but only if it strengthens financial stability rather than creating unnecessary stress. The most successful homeowners are usually those who buy below their maximum borrowing limit, instead of stretching every dollar simply to purchase a larger property. And while all these factors explain how the market is changing, one crucial question still remains unanswered. If inventory is improving, technology is advancing, and local opportunities are emerging, why are so many Americans still making expensive mistakes when buying a home? The answer has nothing to do with mortgage rates or home prices alone. It comes down to a series of hidden psychological traps, negotiation mistakes, and financial decisions that quietly cost buyers tens of thousands of dollars. In the final part, we'll uncover those mistakes, reveal what experienced real estate investors do differently, and explain how ordinary buyers can make smarter decisions in America's 2026 housing market. Now comes the most important question of all. Who is actually winning in America's 2026 housing market? Surprisingly, it isn't always the wealthiest buyers, the biggest investors, or the people with perfect timing. More often than not, the winners are the buyers who remain patient, stay informed, and make decisions based on facts instead of emotions. While countless people spend months trying to predict the next headline, successful buyers focus on understanding their finances, researching local markets, and recognizing value where others only see uncertainty. That mindset can make the difference between building long-term wealth and making an expensive mistake. One of the biggest traps buyers fall into is becoming emotionally attached to a single property. They imagine their future in that house before carefully evaluating whether it truly fits their financial goals. This emotional attachment often leads to overpaying, ignoring inspection issues, or accepting unfavorable contract terms simply because they fear losing the property. Experienced buyers approach every purchase with discipline. They remember that another opportunity will always appear, and they never allow excitement to replace careful analysis. Walking away from a bad deal can sometimes be the smartest financial decision a buyer ever makes. Negotiation has also become one of the most valuable skills in today's market. During the housing boom, buyers often had little room to negotiate because demand greatly exceeded supply. But many local markets in 2026 have become more balanced. Sellers may now be willing to reduce prices, cover part of the closing costs, pay for repairs, include appliances, or offer other financial incentives to complete a sale. Buyers who ask thoughtful questions and negotiate professionally can save thousands of dollars before they even receive the keys. The goal isn't simply to buy a house. It's to buy the right house at the right value. Home inspections remain another area where patience pays off. A beautiful kitchen, modern flooring, or fresh paint can easily distract buyers from expensive hidden problems. Roofing issues, foundation damage, outdated electrical systems, plumbing repairs, mold, drainage concerns, or aging heating and cooling equipment can cost tens of thousands of dollars after closing. That's why experienced homeowners view inspections as an investment rather than an unnecessary expense. Spending a small amount to understand a property's true condition can prevent major financial surprises in the future. Many first-time buyers also underestimate the importance of maintaining financial flexibility after purchasing a home. Owning a house involves much more than making a monthly mortgage payment. Unexpected repairs, rising insurance costs, property taxes, utility bills, landscaping, maintenance, and emergency expenses can quickly add up. Financial experts often emphasize that home ownership becomes much less stressful when buyers maintain emergency savings even after making their down payment. Buying a slightly less expensive home while preserving financial security can often provide greater peace of mind than purchasing the most expensive property lender is willing to finance. Another lesson becoming increasingly clear in 2026 is that real estate should be viewed as a long-term journey rather than a short-term gamble. Housing markets naturally experience periods of rapid growth, slower appreciation, and occasional corrections. These cycles have existed for decades and will continue in the future. Buyers who expect immediate profits may become disappointed if market conditions temporarily soften. However, homeowners who purchase quality properties in desirable locations and remain committed over many years have historically benefited from the long-term growth of both property values and home equity. Time in the market has consistently proven more reliable than trying to perfectly time the market. It's also worth remembering that every buyer's situation is unique. A family searching for stability, a young professional starting a career, a retiree downsizing, or an investor seeking rental income will all evaluate the market differently. There is no universal perfect time to buy a home. The right decision depends on personal finances, career stability, long-term goals, lifestyle needs, and confidence in managing the responsibilities of homeownership. Comparing your journey to someone else's can easily lead to unnecessary pressure and poor decisions. The smartest buyers build strategies based on their own circumstances rather than chasing trends. Looking ahead, America's housing market will continue evolving as economic conditions change, new neighborhoods grow, technology transforms real estate transactions, and demographic trends reshape demand. Some cities will outperform expectations, while others may face slower growth. Mortgage rates will fluctuate, construction will continue adapting to market needs, and buyer preferences will keep changing. But one principle is unlikely to change. Informed buyers consistently make better decisions than emotional buyers. Knowledge remains one of the most valuable assets anyone can bring into the housing market. So, what is the real truth about buying a house in America in 2026? It's not about finding the perfect headline, waiting for the impossible moment when every indicator aligns, or believing that one prediction can accurately forecast the future. The truth is that success comes from preparation, patience, careful research, and making decisions that fit your personal financial goals. While many people continue waiting for certainty that may never arrive, others are quietly building their future one smart decision at a time. The housing market will always present challenges, but it will also continue creating opportunities for those willing to understand it rather than fear it. In the end, buying a home isn't simply about purchasing property. It's about investing in stability, creating future possibilities, and taking a thoughtful step toward long-term financial security. If you found this breakdown valuable, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into the biggest trends shaping America's real estate market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.